So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my show कुछ खास बात अंकित के साथ. So today we are going to about discuss about data scientist and data analyst. What is data scientist? What is data analyst? We are talk about data scientist today. So I have invited one guest. He have lots of experience. He have lots of knowledge for this field for data scientist. So I am introducing my guest, Mr. Himanshu. So hello, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me on your show.
So how are you feeling, sir?
I'm feeling very great because right now I'm the part of your shows. For me, it's a very different experience.
So, Himanshu, before I had, I want to you one question. What is data scientist? What is data analyst?
Yeah, if we are talking about the data science and data analyst. In my opinion, it's a kind of new job which can change the life of a human being because whatever we are doing, there are a lot of jobs are creating. Like AI is working very hard. Like there are a lot of things are happening in the society in the IT sector, but somewhere we need the data. We need to store that data. We need to analyze the data. What is going on? We need to focus on the trends, graph, and what kind of thing are happening in the our company. So for that, we need the data analyst and data scientist. So if we talk about the data analyst, the work of the data analyst is to analyze the data. Like if we talk about any kind of shopping platform, we have to analyze that what kind of product is ongoing. We have sometimes we have to check the trend of that product. So it is our work as a data analyst. And if we talk about a data analyst is a kind of job every company requires. Every company. So for me, it's a kind of very great opportunity. For the right now, there are a lot of students, there are a lot of guys. They can prepare for it and just earn a huge amount of money, and they can pursue their passion for a data analyst.
So, Himanshu, I listened that you are from non-tech background. So, how do you interfere in this field, and how do you enjoy for this field?
Yeah, basically I have completed my BSc. So actually I am little bit interested about the IT sector, but I just somewhere I don't like very much coding. So when I heard about the data analyst, in the data analyst there is not very high coding. You don't need any kind of very great coding skills. You need very minimal coding skills, and I have those kinds of skills. I started working on my data analyst. I just started working through some online platforms, and also after some time I just started working on some offline platform. But sometime I just realized that it's a very great thing, the kind of thing which I got to know about the data analyst. And the best thing is that through it I got a chance to just go outside of the India and work outside of India and explore the world. For me, it's a very great thing. That's why I just transferred completely from a very non-tech background to a tech background through the data analyst course.
So, Himanshu, as you mentioned that if you are not interested in coding, so you can go for this field. So, Himanshu, what kind of skills is mentioning in this field?
Yeah, when we talk about the skills, there are a lot of skills. We can't mention about it. First one, your honesty with yourself. Your honesty with your job. It's a kind of a skill which we really need. And most of the guys don't have. That's why they suffer. That is the main problem. And like when we talk about some real life skills like communication skills and like Power BI, there are a lot of tools we have to learn: Excel, Python, and many more. So we all need all these kinds of skill. And apart from that, communication skill plays a very pivotal role. Presentation skill, you must have the presentation skill because after completing your project, you have to just submit in front of the whole company. That's why you need the presentation skill. And if you have those kinds of skills, then you can just you can't imagine. Sky has the limit.
So, Himanshu, as you mentioned that there are so many skills like Python, SQL, and Power BI. So, I want to know to you that which type of skill is sufficient for us, like beginners, indeterminate, and advanced. Which is sufficient for us?
When we talk about the sufficiency, first when you started working on it, you will realize that yeah, it is little bit difficult. But after some time, you will enjoy your work. That's the main problem. Like when we talk about the communication is a kind of sector where you like its training will never end. It's a very ongoing process. It's a kind of experiencing process. Similarly, when we talk about a data analyst and a data science, it's not like that after some time you will just complete your study and you will get a no. It's an ongoing process. There are a lot of trends which are changing in market, and there are a lot of trends which are ongoing in market. So we need to study all the thing if we really want to survive in the market. But in the beginning, you can start with your Python. After some time, MySQL, Excel, Power BI. There are a lot of tools which you can learn, but you have to learn all the tools if you really want to be a very great data analyst.
So, Himanshu, as you mentioned that data is a future and data is a mandatory in all fields. So, what is the future of data scientist and data analyst? AI is a cover all field. So we can trust data analyst is a future field or not?
Yeah, absolutely. The future is very bright. I'm able to see because, like, if I talk about the jobs, that the jobs are going to be very, very crazy, really. Because suppose that a company is working, a company is holding everything, but somewhere you need the data analyst because the main thing is that we need to check the trends, and somewhere AI is not able to check the trend. That is the main problem because we are the humans. We know how human is thinking, that is the main thing, and we know the kind of trend which will go down. So all these type of things we know. That's why data analyst job will never just like they will just increase after some time. We can't say we will lose our job. No, it will not happen because somewhere it is a job which is related to the emotions of the people, because somewhere what kind of trends the people are following, what they are checking, how many times they are visiting the website. So somewhere AI can't handle it. We need, and if AI is able to handle, then it's not a job of a 3 to 4 years. AI will take a lot of years to cover all these kinds of things.
So Himanshu, as I am a beginner, so how can prepare for this field, and what is the roadmap for this field?
The first roadmap is to decide in your mind. It is the best thing which you need to do. Decide in your mind that you have to complete that project under the 6 month or 7 month. Start working on it. Start with the Python, and it's not like that you have just studied the Python but you have not practiced it. Then you will not survive in the market. You need to practice. Practice is very important. The main thing is that most of the students are just completing the course because you are able to find all these kinds of study material on YouTube, on any kind of another platforms. But the main thing is that the practice. We are not practicing as much as first thing you